You want to know what the best way is to motivate yourself when you're facing rejection? When you're doing prospecting and things aren't going your way, people are being mean to you, people are being nasty, people are saying you're not worth a damn, or that you should leave them alone, or to piss off, just stop following up. It happens to everyone that does any prospecting. It's normal. In any endeavor in life, you run into doors shutting down in front of your face, hopefully not with your foot stuck in between. I've had extensive experience with this. I did door-to-door sales, I did telephone sales, I did cold prospecting, I did warm prospecting, lead follow-up. So I know what you're struggling with. And here's something that always keeps me going and that makes things easier for me. To this day, I still like it when I send out a direct mail or an email, a cold email campaign. And let's say I send out 50 emails. I always love getting back those emails saying, no, get me off your list. No, piss off. No, you're a moron. I love getting those. What I see is that I send out the emails and I know my numbers. And if you don't know your numbers yet, you should start making an estimate. Like, how many emails do you send out to get how many responses? And how many responses do you send out to get presentations? And how many presentations do you do to close a client? And how much does that client bring in? Let's say I send out 100 emails and I get 2 sales presentations out of it. And let's say, hypothetically, I close 1 in 4, right? And let's say, again, that every sales presentation that I close, I bring in $1,000. So now we know I have to send out 200 emails to close 1 deal. 200 emails brings in $1,000. So I know every single email I send out is bringing me $5. And every single response I get that is negative gets me closer to the yes. And it's sort of it's a little bit of a mindset shift, and you don't have to take it personally whenever they send out, because you don't know what's going on in those people's lives. Maybe, their dog was just killed by some drunk truck driver, and then your email comes in, and then they found out that their wife was cheating at the same time with the plumber, and now they have to take out their rage on someone. So don't even bother. Don't care. Like, okay, the only opinion that matters is the opinion of people willing to give you money. And that's the only opinion that matters. Ignore all the rest. It doesn't matter.